Welcome back guys. Today we will look at NIO and Tesla, starting with the daily chart for NIO. Once again getting rejected from almost $10.5, finding it difficult to cross this in terms of the daily RSI, currently sitting at 30.5. So yes, RSI is on the lower side. Towards the bottom we have this area as support, roughly $8.5 $9, and after 10.5 we have the $12 range as an important resistance. So yes, price is trying to consolidate in this range. However, I want to show you something very important. For that we will head over to the 4-hour chart. If I draw up a price level, look at what is happening. Look at this breakout, sort of a breakout we had. We are testing this and then again bouncing up. If we come back down to test this trend line and bounce, then it will actually be very good. So after this breakout, some of the key resistance areas, of course 10.5, this can be first take profit. Then we have 12, then we have around 14.5, where the 50 moving average on the 4-hour chart is available. Also in the event that we see a full pump, we can head up towards this $16 mark, which actually is part of this long-term trend line that we are seeing since long time. So yes, this is the best case scenario, and if we fail, we are heading back towards the $8.5 mark. Also, one important thing is that the earnings will be announced on the 10th of November. So this is a very important event for the NIO stock. Good earnings can really pump this stock. Why? Because it has been beaten down a lot already. And once again, I would like to show you the insane risk to reward ratio that this stock represents. If someone bought today at $9.8, they set their stop loss at $1 and they just target $42, which is not even the all-time high. You are getting a risk to reward ratio of 3.43, which is considered a very good risk to reward ratio. So yes, this is a very risky stock, however presenting good risk to reward ratio. This is one of the reasons I am trying to consolidate small positions in this stock. Also, the 4-hour RSI is sitting at 35.6, so yes, there is scope towards the upside. Not only this, as you know, tomorrow interest rate decision will be announced. If that is favorable for the market, then we are going to see a very nice pump in this. Let me know in the comments, do you think we are heading towards that $13-14 mark, or we are heading towards new lows, maybe $7.5? Also, if you like this analysis, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Now let's head over to the daily chart for Tesla. So previously I had identified the 200 as an important mark, and this is exactly from where we saw the price bouncing. However, there is a catch over here. Let me show you what I mean. Once again, if I just draw up the trend line, we are seeing a breakout, but you might get trapped in this, because actually if I draw this price channel, this is sort of forming a bear flag channel. So price will try to consolidate in this range, something of this sort, and if there is bad news tomorrow, given that interest rate decision is there, we might head back down towards 200 mark. And if the market turns out to be really bad, we are going to see 165. And in the event the interest rate decision is favorable for the market, first take profit $250. I have mentioned this before also. You can see a lot of moving averages consolidating here. So yes, this is a good take profit area. And if further pump is seen, we can target 270, 265, which is top part of this channel, which we are seeing since the start of 2022. So yes, these are some key areas you have to keep in your analysis. In terms of the daily RSI, we are sitting at 47. So yes, almost in the middle, can go up, can go down, mainly depends on what happens tomorrow. Let's head over to the 4-hour chart. In terms of the 4-hour chart, we can see RSI sitting at 57. So yes, it has pumped quite a bit. Of course, we have pumped from 200 sitting at 230, so 15% pump has already happened. Little bit upside is possible. Maybe we will go towards 240, 245, where the 50 moving average in green is available. Also, any major pump for Tesla stock, of course, is dependent on what happens tomorrow. So yes, in the event there's a dump tomorrow, please keep into mind $200, and after that 165. These two are important numbers. And in the event that we see a good pump, 250 and then 270, these two are very important numbers. And as always, you can see how volatile the markets are. If you are actively trading, please don't forget to use proper risk management. Thank you for watching.